Good afternoon. My name is Neila Milena Duarte. I am 31 years old. I am from Barranca Bermeja, Colombia. I live in Socorro, Santander. I live with my son. I am a secretary and I am studying psychology. My hobby is listening to music. My favorite TV show is The Bleach. And my favorite sport is skating. She is my family. The members of my family are my parents, my brother, my son. My mother is Vilma Isabel. She is 55 years old. She is matching. She is from Barranca Bermeja. My mother is very nice. She is short. Her eyes are brown, and she has black hair. My father is Jorge Duarte. He is 58 years old. He is civil war master. He is from San Vicente de Chucurí. My father is nice and friendly. His eyes are brown. He has gray short hair. My brother Javier is Jorge Luis. He is 35 years old. He is a mechanical engineer. He is smart. Emerson Duarte is my favorite brother. He is 33 years old. He is a painter. He is nice and friendly. I love my brother. Terry Taylor is my son. He is 5 years old. He is nice and sweet. He is intelligent. He is a student and he likes cars.